Hi, I'm Shelly Ehler with Mission Oaks Counseling and Wellness Center, and I would like to personally invite you to my upcoming workshop entitled The Best Day Ever. One thing I know for sure is this: if you have a structured, productive morning routine, it's the best way to ensure success throughout your day. This has been a proven fact over and over again, that whenever you wake up, your very first thoughts and your very first actions will dictate how your day will follow. One of my very favorite teachers, Dr. Wayne Dyer, always used to say, in the morning when you wake up, you have two choices. Number one, you can say, "Good morning, God," or you can say, "Good God morning." And whichever you choose, your day will follow. It's so very true. In this 1-hour workshop, I'm going to provide you with a lot of different ideas and tools and resources to help you create your own morning routine that fits your needs. I've heard from a lot of people that will say, "I don't have time for a morning routine." Well, my question is, do you have 10 minutes? Can you wake up 10 minutes early? Because I promise you, a productive 10 minutes will make all the difference in the world. It's a game changer. So I hope that you say yes to this opportunity and join me on September 18th. We have 2 workshops that day. One's at noon and the other one's at 6:30 at Mission Oaks Counseling and Wellness Center. The cost is $20. You just need to email Jess Douglas to register, and we'll post a link to her email address in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help in any way. And again, I hope to see you on September 18th, where you can begin to create the best day ever, over and over and over again. Thanks. Bye-bye.